Hello, I'm Stacey Baker, a Formulation Specialist and member of the PCCA Brainiacs, welcoming you to another episode of Inside the Beaker. Today I want to talk to you about NataTroche, one of 3 new bases we launched last October at International Seminar. We've gotten a lot of positive feedback and have also received a few questions on working with this base. So let's go inside the beaker so we can discuss more. First, let's talk about temperature. Working with NataTroche is similar to polyglycol troche or gelatin troche base. Like these other troche bases, temperature is very important. Not only does the temperature affect the pourability of the base and the formulation, overheating it can cause it to change color and affect the taste. For all these reasons, it is very important to use a thermometer to ensure you have reached the ideal pouring temperature, which is 60 to 65 degrees Celsius. Oils and fats in general heat up faster than water, so you have to just watch it. Another key thing to know about NataTroche is that it sets up pretty quickly. This means you're able to shave or smooth out the troches easily with a spatula pretty soon after pouring. We're also considering using NataTroche in lip formulations. The addition of butters and oils can make an interesting product that would also have a pleasant taste. If this sounds like something of interest to you or your patients, let us know in the comments and we can get to work on something in the lab. If you're looking for more info on NataTroche, make sure to check out our winter apotheogram that just mailed out last week. Flip to page 11 to read a comprehensive article full of flavoring suggestions, tips and tricks by 2 of my colleagues on the formulations team. That's all we have for today. I hope this video helps you create formulations that are helpful to your patients. We'll see you next time on Inside the Beaker.